Yo man, I said warning, warning, warning. I seen heartless crosses guys swarming. I'm with the outsiders, I like Alzheimer's. I try to remember what's important. Not one of them boy that could draw me out. I've scoped them out, I'm aware, but I stay cautious. I was in Outlook, chilling with Capo. Everything got lift like I'm in a forklift. You man dressed like you lost a forfeit. Me, I've been giving out star courses. I just step out and them ones there. You man just dress up in what you call it. They can't tell me about works I put in. I'm done with labour like I'm Corbyn. Now I'm laughing all the way to the bank. I'm creasing up like your Air Forces. Yeah? I done some hard shoes like I work in corporate. I sent one email, now it's all sorted. Every one of my kiddie them go forward. Can't chat about wheel-ups or forwards. They try to style on me, it's awkward. Guys online try to move like they're hype. They think they're sick, they must be nauseous. Got a big belly and weight on my lappy. Me and Merkin is like bench and batty. 004, I was broke and tatty. I never had a Scooby and I weren't happy. I bump train everywhere, any sick man's there. I rolled up black wrist and backy. Dirty tracksuit and my t-shirt's baggy. Smelling like weed like Danny. Now it's the year 25 and my jeans are baggy. And I still roll deep like Danny. But when I jumped out the alley with a hoodie, they never would have thought I would stay this swaggy. At times it did get techie. True, I was in the middle of the east like Iraqis. The goons are out and they're lurking, and they got white and them like the ashy. They were showing off teeth, but they weren't smiling or happy. Asking if I'm the guy from N-Dubs, but I'm not Phaser and I'm not Dappy. I had to think about what I said next. They ain't gonna clash me, they'll collapse me. True say there's killers in the jungle. Shout out Flow, and just wanna grab me. You never see me outside with a bagger man. I'm in some CDGs and an ACG anorak. They know the Steve's wanna land. Them and the gas, they only feel safe online, imagine that. Talk things they don't know about, cause they got a problem with eye like cataracts. All of my enemies are failing and know that I love that, like I double tap that. It's like the full-time job, Shaq Was. That's for any one of them, I ain't got act man. Big man like you, I gonna try to act bad. And you boy, for them boy, they're just like sat-nav. But I let them get a little funny shots from black screw the pack. Yeah? Cause them man know that it's never been that. I'm a humble you, I ain't never been gas, but I'm a top boy spitter, I get never been swag. I don't know what I go on for them man, but them man, their things will pattern up mad. We ain't friends, no, we ain't fam, no, we ain't cool, no, they ain't. Yo. It's surgical time. I had a bag of grease on my Big Mac. I know them on the court, I had to serve it with fries. They get bigger than a big money sound. Them little man are like a third of a price. You know me, I'm just working. I'm murking, it's working, no word of a lie. Them do little pattern to return with ain't working. I heard it, not worth a reply. Them little rhythms they're rehearsing ain't working. That's why they're out twerking online. They must be lead a black person. It's curtains anytime man work in a rhyme. True man, I'm an outsider. I made my space, I never had a b-ball. Sat and observed, I don't speak loads. I'm my only enemy's ego. When I hear man chatting about level, I just fade out calm with a C-no. True level in the dance is easy. At this stage now, I'm a cheat code. Cause reload, just give it 2 minutes since I'm next reload. Hit them with a new thing, next reload. When them man are moving, just let's me. Which one of them better give it and let me? Which one of them better give it and let me know? Aye, this jumper's at 30,000 GSM, bro. And it feels like 6 kilos. You know I've been heavy in this thing from time. Even when I was skinny, I was sick outside. On set moving like I'm 6'5". Killing everything like I just took life. Can't take the piss, they should've took time. Defend my family name just like Esco. I'll slew them when I'm on the next high. But anyway, side note, I don't know why those, but I talk like an 8-found my mosh. The vibes go anywhere that I go. They're still getting smooth wheels like I goes. Please overstand and try no. I'll get it and bro live. So if he dies, so the boy they're not to get bright like a light bulb. I can never let them get me off focus. If I'm not the best, I'm the closest. I walk all over these loafers. Don't mix me with them, it's insulting. They're just tweeting, talking and soaking. Only see their names when it's chatters. We never see their names on those posters. Look, grime safe cause I'm here again. Told them boy it's my year again. And next year that's my year again. Grime safe cause I'm here again. Told them boy it's my year again. And next year it's my year again. I'm the main culprit. Telekinesis, I make things move when I'm smoking. Kept going and I've been killing them in the open. I weren't chosen, but I had a lot on my shoulders. Expectations, pressure. I weren't cold, I was on free. Should I struggle was the coldest, hotter than MC anywhere, anywhere the zone is. They never had faith, that's why I had to show them. They let their fears control them. They let the trolls control them. Smoke on set, it was hazy way before packs and potions. I used to spin an MC every week like Logan. I showed them, I never had it easy, I wasn't coasting. Now they can't see me like I'm ghosting. I never get a bigger peak for the posting. I never get CC'd with the owners. Soon to big on the TV, man, I loading. I've been running through the script like I'm coding. I've been sticking in my lane like I'm golden. Respect my motion. Too on point, I'm too hard back. My name's too big, so they can't cat. I was the one that used to get laughed at. Now I get booked chauffeured and fast tracked. Too on point, so I can't lack. They was on the screen before the sack contact. Now we can't see them anymore, that's a hard fact. It was good at the time, but I'm fast back. Yeah, move on the next thing now. Pattern collecting town. I'm on set, I'm collecting scouts. Make more room like the exit out. Anyone of them, I don't business. Man will call out your name and exit out. They've done anything for anyone anyway, and that's why we can't respect them now. Yeah, them and the crosses and corrupt just like Zebra. Yeah, them not like me, but man I like them either. Swear, just look all the fuckery them and the keeper. It's weird. I'm outside whizzing around just like Khalifa. There, and I'm with Keisha, not Keisha. I'm in Cape Verde with my feet up. I'm close to my goals like I'm the keeper. Had to crop circles like I'm Nina. Everyone can't go and I can't teach her. But when I look at them now it's sad because the work for life I never took a breather. The flow is on point, the work rate's insane. I'm swimming them like G-Man on rage. I might say safe, but it isn't safe. Talk about the middle just like GBH. King of the thing just like my name's Royal. They know my name and they know the face. Slap on them, I'm running the chat and I'm about top 10. I'm bleeding, yo, know the way. Know your place, know your level, know your way. I didn't know the game. Now the only side is outside, no debate. The panicking trying to find cool things to say. When I'm ain't cool as bait. I've got so many dates coming up that you would have thought that I work cool with bait. Safe. Let me give a little word of advice. Everything's under control, you hear when you're right. Stay vigilant and be fair with the eyes. Let me give a little word of advice. Everything's under control, you hear when you're right. Just stay vigilant and be fair with